Welcome to Gladys and Friends. Hoy tenemos la visita de una persona muy especial, miembro de la Cámara de Comercio de Osceola, y es Julio Cedeño. Bienvenido, Julio.
Thank you, Gladys.
Julio represents and has his own company, is a JC, handyman, and home renovation. So, Julio, tell us more about your business. And how long have you been doing this?
My business started out really in New York City. I'm a retired electrician. I've done 25 plus years in electrical.
So you can see someone that has previous experience and is also applying that here in Florida. So Julio, what do you do? Residential, commercial? Can you tell me more about that?
Well, my company is like a one-stop shop. We are licensed in electrical, plumbing, and general contracting. So we do both residential and commercial.
That's excellent. Any story that you want to share about anything that had happened that you were able to help a family regarding the purchase of their home?
Well, there has been many houses that I've been called on to fix renovation jobs that they had done for the client before, like electrical work or flooring work. Electrical work, a lot of contractors are taking a shortcut by not providing the correct size of wire. They just use the cheapest wires they find, and they use it, but they still charge.
So make sure that you see our information and can call us, right, Julio?
You call me. I'm available 6 days a week, Monday through Saturday, and on Sundays in case you have any electrical or any plumbing issues at the house.
So I'm very glad that he was able to join us today. As you can see, every month I have a special guest and he can help you with any of your needs for, as he said, handyman, home renovation, electrical. Well, he has everything in one shop.
Yes, if you have any inspection list that needs to get fixing, we take care of everything.
So thank you everyone for being with us today and see you next month. Thank you. Bye.